The rescue team is ready! Let's go, team! Help! Help! My engine!
Hold on! We're coming!
Let me take a look. Sensors show two small problems. Safety first. Got a pebble. Oh, tightened up. Oh. Cooling. Cooling now. Wow!
A little power boost will help. A little power boost will help.
I'm awake.
Let's pull aside and check wheels. Wheel alignment looks off. Up you go, wow! Easy now. Perfect!
Full and fluffy. Brakes good. Look that! A hazard up ahead.
Step 1, reinforce. Step 2, drain. Step 3, test.
I'll hold it.
Huh?
I'll hold it.
Huh? I'll hold it.
Lifting now. Steady. Draining the puddle. Draining the puddle. All secure.
It feels steady. Safety markers help everyone.
Sounds carry under the span. Again? We can fix it! Quick teamwork! Quick teamwork! Look
Slow and steady. Light set.
One last careful step. Splash-tastic!
Oh no, my mirror.
Water diverted! Even seagulls cheer. Quick checks keep us safe. Reverse practice. Good job. Ready? Go!
Teamwork keeps the road okay. Teamwork keeps the road okay.
A safe crossing. Thanks to teamwork. Thanks to teamwork.
Next time, well, big dunes. Like and subscribe for more rescue adventures.
See you soon!